Alright, it's just about 8 o'clock now. We're going to start gearing up, getting ourselves together. It was a great weekend. But now it's time to put those 7 hours back in to get back home.
Recording.
It's mount up time. You can see everyone's out here doing the same thing. It's time to head on home. Everyone's saying their goodbyes. Well, here it is. It's 9 a.m. We're out of the hotel. We are anticipating seeing some rain on the way going back. Quite possibly once we get to the Syracuse area. Syracuse to Rochester is going to be wet. There's no doubt about it. I know Free's been kind of talking about it. We might luck out, but I'm doubting that. You saw this street last night. It was packed. So we got a lot of this, basically 3 hours of these back roads. It's going to be that cowboy kind of look. Just cuts and coming through these hills. I mean, this video isn't doing justice to the views that are being presented right now. The hills that we're riding through. It's just not doing it justice. There's no doubt about it. But still, it's worth sharing with you. we made it back to Buffalo. Everything was really good. As you can see, it's a little bit overcast, but I was kind of scared of the rain coming in, so I did not start this camera. I actually put it away for the rain. I didn't want to get caught in the rain with it. But the good news is we didn't get any rain at all the whole ride here. A sprinkle at one point that, you know, was it was nothing, absolutely nothing. It was a sprinkle that came on. You just knew it was raining, but nothing that warranted me grabbing the rain gear out. So all in all, we got a whole day on Saturday that we were not expecting. We got a dry ride home today. So very great trip that we had today. So if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you very much. I do appreciate it. There's going to be more videos like this to come, smaller events here in Buffalo, larger events such as Surges coming up soon. So go ahead and subscribe, like, and share, comment. I love it. I read them all and I respond to them all. Thank you so much, and talk to you soon.